How to make custom chip bags. I printed my design on letter-size glossy brochure paper, which fits one individual size chip bag. I get snacky a lot, so I bought this chip bag I've never heard of before to resist eating my prop. There are obviously more popular brands out there. First, we need double-sided tape. Now we'll lightly crease along these fine lines. Put double-sided tape along one vertical side on the outside and on the top and bottom of the inside of the bag. First, we'll attach it on the outside and along the bottom of the inside. Once you put your chip bag in, you can seal it up and be done. And all you really needed was double-sided tape. But I want to show you how to assemble this like a pro if you were to make these for a client. You'll need a paper crimper for the top and bottom of the bag. I've seen Etsy shops sell both just the paper bag and also with the chips, ranging from $2.50 to $5 per bag. Please like this video if you found it helpful today. Once you've put your chip bag in, just close it up. Pull on the sides and line up the end as best as you can. The last thing you need is a pair of pinking shears to give the ends that finishing touch. Please let me know in the comments what you think of this video, and thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to check out more DIYs on how to assemble other party printables, please check out this section. And don't forget to subscribe.